a lot of ginger. I woke up feeling like like I was growling all night, like, and I don't snore, but I woke up feeling like I was trying to pretend that I was a fire-breathing dragon. Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I'm so excited for this video. I've been working on this for about 3 months. As you guys know, I made the barbecue chicken wings cake and the General Tso's chicken cake. Those were both pretty amazing cakes. So I wanted to attempt to prank someone or someone's multiple people, as many people as I could prank with these cakes. Because of the way that I filmed the video, and I'm also putting these two pranks together in one video, I'm just going to narrate throughout the video. Before we get into it, if you haven't subscribed, what you waiting for, girl? What you waiting for, guy? To be a Cakenista or Cakenisto, you just have to subscribe. And then we can get started. It's a prank! Now let's get into this barbecue chicken wing cake. My aunt's birthday is 2 days after Christmas, and during Christmas it's just really convenient to at least wish her happy birthday. And I know that she loves barbecue chicken wings, and I said this would be perfect. Here's just a little flashback on how I made the cake to begin with. I kept the cake in my kitchen to hide it from everyone. This was actually Christmas Day. When dinner came, like, I made the whole buffet, you know, I threw down. And this is apple butter ham, and this is just regular.
What's that?
This is the dark meat turkey. That's the white meat turkey breast with stuffing inside. That looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
How am I going to incorporate random chicken wings with Christmas dinner? I'll just bring out this little plate for 5, 6 people. Maybe everybody could get 2 wings. Maybe everybody could get 1. Just a little nibble appetizer. I called it an appetizer. Appetizers.
Yeah. You want
appetizers?
Appetizers look delicious.
Thank you. I don't think anybody's gonna eat any though. And it was random. I told my grandmother, of course my mom knew, my sister knew, my aunt didn't know, and my brother-in-law also didn't know. But the food's done, so just go around and do what you gotta do. So then my aunt was just like very nonchalant about it, like, oh, I'll get there. And then she finally gets there, like finally to the cake. And of course, I'm on the other side of the kitchen helping everybody make their plate. So then I rush over to the table really quickly because I see she's just standing there like this for a long time.
That's not really chicken.
It's not?
Is that cake?
I don't know, I
You
can't
trying to
see.
mess with us?
He's trying to mess with you. We all knew.
Happy birthday to you.
Stupid.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dara. Happy birthday to you.
So there's no chicken wings?
No. It's Rice Krispie treat though, and it's in apple butter, and there's chocolate cake underneath. Yay!
Happy birthday. Don't go for the
Yay! Sorry.
What gave it away was the celery. I'm like,
I knew it. I probably should have just not done celery at all. Like, who really needs celery? I do like the celery and carrots. But who needs it when you're trying to do a prank video?
that's so messed up.
I know. I tried.
That's not chicken.
I should have just not done the celery. But I needed it to look like a full plate. Yeah. You know?
I didn't even see the celery until I walked around here.
But you were going for
I
it.
was. And I was all excited. I said, oh, chicken wings.
I'm a liar. I'm a liar. She was just about to pick up that chicken wing before she looked at the celery and said, wait. Now let's get into the General Tso's chicken one. This was a whole thing. I took this to work intending to give it to one person, and I waited for about a month because I knew she saw the cake on Instagram. Give it some time so that she'll just forget about it, but I also make her General Tso's chicken all the time at work. So I'm at work right now. I brought the General Tso's chicken cake with me, and I'm gonna act like I'm just vlogging for Vlogmas. She's used to me giving her food by the end of the night, but it always comes in a different container.
Yeah, there's some wax. I didn't order one.
Hey girl. Hi. I can finally try to do this prank. I'm running around. I literally wait till everyone leaves the kitchen and I start hooking up this platter as I would for her normally. De'Ara's used to me giving her food in one of these containers, so I have to take the General Tso's chicken cake and put it in one of those containers that make it look really presentable. My General Tso's chicken cake was sideways while I was on my way, and look how messed up it got. So now I have to pick through it. It smells really good, believe it or not. Okay, you guys, so this is the best that I could do. I think it looks pretty realistic, like especially the Rice Krispies. I'm just gonna go try to find some more strawberry jam and whip up some more sauce for the General Tso's chicken. When you prank somebody with food, you would like to give them food as well. That's only nice. I think it looks kind of realistic. Here is her actual platter. I purposely didn't make her food today in a nice way, just trying to starve her out. Nicely. Here's your food, dear.
I did.
Oh, really?
What the heck?
Yeah.
That is a pleasant surprise.
Well, that's good.
Oh my god, I will take that movie.
I've set it there already. It's done. That's what I was doing to keep myself busy. Just cooking food, girl. I made some eggs for myself. I don't know.
This looks exactly like your cake.
Does it?
This is your cake.
Okay, no, play it. Here you go. Darn dear, I should have never showed you. I should have never showed you that cake. Well, it was supposed to be a prank, but she already saw it, so. But it looked good at first.
Yeah, like I'm like, oh my god.
Without thinking about it, like I could probably really get somebody who never saw the cake. I should get Patrick in here. He knows you better than he knows me. Say, Patrick, do you want this General Tso's? Because I have two. Okay. And then be like, yeah, have this one. He needs to be hungry. Okay. Get out. Yeah. She'd be like, oh.
It's because the rice looks like rice, like the rice got me. Like
yeah.
It's only because the rice. Like you can look at it and be like, oh, this isn't regular rice.
Right.
But the chicken looks like chicken.
Yeah. She was about to dig in, but it was the rice. So what I do, I didn't throw it away. I brought it home, and that leads back to Christmas. I gave it to my aunt, and I said, hey, would you like some General Tso's chicken just to take home? I made it at work for someone else and they didn't want it. Then she looks at me. You're not trying to get me again, are you? Seriously? Do I look like I would try to prank you twice in a row? That's not even me. It's exactly who I am, actually. It's chicken and fried rice.
We can split this. I'm not gonna be able to eat all of it, so you take more.
Then my aunt offers some to David. Hey, we could split this because I can't eat the whole thing. I'm just like, dig into it, you know? It's Christmas. Go all out. Have General Tsos. Have the turkey. Have everything. So, oh, by the way, Dara, that was a prank. That was a cake. But you love me and I love you. My brother-in-law, he comes in and he opens up the container. He just looks at it for a minute and he just yells, "Fake!" What made you say that? You almost made me choke. I need a different audience of people to prank that doesn't know. I didn't prank Dara before. Like, it scared me because I was literally in the middle of a swallow. So I have to come stronger, like a lot stronger. I have a Cakenista comment, the first Cakenista comment of the year, might I add. I don't know how to say your name because I don't, of course, know the language. However, your comment was in English. On my Powerpuff Girls video, I'm assuming it's a she comments, Powerpuff Girls blossom. I have to be at the process of 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 the process. Girl, I don't know what you're doing, but let me tell you, whatever she's doing is gonna be right. Whatever she's processing, like, it's about to be on point. It's about to be on point because she's been processing. You were trying to comment, and for that I thank you. To be featured in the next video as a Cakenista or Cagenisto comment, all you have to do is be subscribed, of course. And then you have to comment, okay? That's it. I'm not asking for much here in these YouTube streets. Just for a little love. Just for a little bit of love. A little bit. Ain't no mountain high enough, you know? It's not even hot, it's ice cold. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, Cakenistas.